Okay, Ambazonia people. Today, number 8 day for May 2020. I don't come again, see me, I talk some small story. On the 2nd of January 2020, I be talk. Say me go reach for Boya quick. It depends how we go resist La Republique. We go resist enablers them. We go resist black legs them. So they go end on the 30th of May. So today now number 8 day, we still get about 22 more days to go. Because I never change the day. So now I want to give small idea what they call and say the way forward. And for our way forward, I want to remind Ambazonia people, say for 1st of October 2017, we begin a one way forward because we'll be looking at one bigger picture. That picture it be being a Boya for you, for me, and for everybody, and by us all. But I want to guarantee these people with people where they recall today say collaboration and unity. Say me wanna open wanna eye them first before when I see those things them. We be all call those things them several years ago. They know they come, but today they want try for they bring those things them. So now you way I say me I come again, I explain something. Say for 1st of October 2017, with big picture, it be being I say Boya. You want to talk for some person, he say no more look na bigger picture na Boya. But today I want just announce for one, like we don't first talk even yesterday with Mr. Nanchop. Say we not still get now one big picture. 2 big pictures in a day for front where they turn up. Me some man no can fool you, say the bigger picture na Boya. No. We did look now 2 big pictures than today. Me some man no fool you, say we the fight for freedom. When they use that word say freedom, they feel they lie you, they feel make you confused. You say yes, this man there for the same boss where would you go. When I understand. Bamileke man is the fight for freedom. Nordis is the fight for freedom. Egondo is the fight for freedom. So it depends the context where you define freedom inside. Now for there you could talk say yes. But me and plenty people where they there for LGA, county by county inside IG, they know say we the fight for freedom. Freedom now forget a free and unconditional independent Ambazonia. Somale Frundi, Abobala and the other people, they feel the fight for freedom of expression or freedom or whatsoever inside La Republique. Like how we cast in Anyangwe and Ayuk Tabed and they fight. Like how we come to the fight, say they fight freedom of speech and justice within the context of La Republique. But me and the majority of people, where they all suffer for so many years, like 4 years, we not define our freedom within the context of La Republique. We define the freedom within our own country, where they call and say Ambazonia, our own culture, our own flag, our own government, our own institutions. Them. Now 2 things and that. Even I get for put up on I head that. So people where they be not endorse La Republique National Dialogue, they work out would come to, they will come no one they're not government. And they come now begin to talk, say, we still collaborate. Me when I know say those people not still there for when I again. Me I talk, me I explain them. Me I explain them very well. When you see people like Wiba, people like Milan them, Kasin Anyangwe them, Ayuk Tabe them, Akuru them, Bajon Akuru them, and Bajon Akuru, Fontaine, all the rest them. They can't talk say they don't like them government. We don't want no government. And say the problem for government anyway it is spoil we. And say me they dissolve the government right now, otherwise we will lose everything. Yes. And when you want to talk, It talk say they talk for you like Ambazonia, say they find freedom. Ask them for you say, when you dissolve a government, now which kind of freedom you want to find them? Now freedom within La Republic. Because we be there, we be not be people who be there with La Republic with the Sudan. We upgrade, we serve them. For call we serve them will be Ambazonia. We get with color, we flag with government and every now they deny that upgrade. It means they don't want to go for down. Make no mistake, some country not there inside this world where it not get government. Some land is not there for this world where it not get authority over that land. If you don't agree, say you be Ambazonia, now some man can't, and you be Ambazonia, you get a land and boundary, everything. We are government. Some person we come up can't talk say this, so you don't want a government. Therefore, no land in no issue don't where man not they control them. If you say no one no government, it means you not like the new government where you get them. Now the old government where it want them. Say me a B for day. No mean at the first time when I hear this statement, come to Ibiro talk. Come to talk for TV. Say if he talk with Anglophones them. Anytime he want to talk with Anglophones them, but enough he give them independence. Come to go for Canada. He talk say they so he want me talk with Anglophones them. I put them in bracket. Anglophones them. Anglophones them too for Canada. They agree say they want me to come to. The day we correct, they want me to come to tell them say no. If when I say me I meet up when I'm put down that flag, when I'm move that blue and white clothes for one skin. Why? Not because they not be dressed up for Bamileke clothes. Now because come to be no say that flag blue and white it mean it not talk it not say it not mean say na Anglophones. It mean say na Ambazonia na Southern Cameroons. That clothes them blue and white na Southern Cameroons. Now you way I explain for people where it make a country. Where in the emblems for a country, you wanna understand that question, you could know. If you get those characteristics, some person say you nothing meet up ye until you put those things down. It means say it wants say me you come that empty person, me you surrender. Why come to Jesus up? You know we talk say me Jesus he move your own flag, he keep it talk say not be na Cameroonian, he keep your own flag and other kind of thing. They talk say me you don't meet up people for meet up. Yes. People where they don't know the power for its symbols, the power for flag, the power for where they identify you as a separate person. Me, I ask one a question from Professor Carson Anyangwe, Don Pasho, them, Ashu Kingsley, all people them. We Fontaine, we Akuru them. We don't hear yesterday. They talk say Britain, he say he want commodity for European Union. Britain, it is commodity for European Union. British man naka so te me Carson Anyangwe, me Akoro, me Fontaine, me Wu. It can't tell me what you will be seeing for television. That day where Britain be come for European Union where they say bye-bye. They not be sent a Queen Elizabeth for outside. They not be sent Orana Gordon Brown, a prime minister for Britain now for outside. They not be sent no person for outside. Wait till they be sent for outside now. Wait, they show for television. They go for play where Britain be there for day. And they move Britain the flag for inside European Union. They carry that flag, they tie them. They show up for camera, they carry the flag, so they send them for outside. You say, okay, you don't correct, time don't correct. Why they not be? Why wanna not be see say they move now from person? They move now a flag because that flag be there for they represent Britain. It be the British government, it be the British people, it be the British culture, it be the British signature, it be now way to represent Britain in any form inside the world. May wanna ask myself why it be say when they burn flag for La Republique they vex that thing it pass plenty. Then La Republique now can't talk to me when I keep on a flag for down. Me when I keep on our own government, when I own sign up for down. And I'm going to kind of fool when I for day when I begin to go. Yes, go for La Republique government. Go burn even 2 or 3 houses then put up for down. And not go look the same as something. Go carry La Republique flag, you put fire for day, you burn them. Like how will they be doing for embassy for Canada? Now for there you will understand what we mean at the tell now. So if come to can't talk say when I move on I close and throw them for down before I receive on when I deny say on no move them. Because come to the sea on inside I close them, no be na say the sea it see on inside I close them like Ambazonia, like British Southern Cameroons them, like independent people, blue and white color. And when I do when I wear that clothes and deny say on no move up because when I know say yes, when I be different people from come to. That is it. Why when I not ask and say if Pobia it talks they want receive come to you people with the bus, they will come with green, red, yellow flag. Why they not talk to me they carry the flag, they go for outside first, go keep them for outside. So I think when I hear from them and I quarrel them with all the people that they can't tell now say the issue of government it be so. Now because they want to say me you deny your birth certificate, your marriage certificate, everything. When you deny, you don't deny. If piggy come out, woman come out, they want to go marry for the other family. They will say, bring your family. I bring my family. You bring your own family. We meet up for meeting. Now, so I can tell you now, say, you know, say there's two families and they, you know, they cheat you. Then the person will come now, come talk for this. Say, no, I don't want to say me, your mommy enter inside this dancing hall. You say, your mommy, she don't for outside. He said, I don't want me and papa enter. He said, you say papa she don't outside. He said, I don't want your brother me enter. Your brother she don't. Now you will go inside there empty. Why the person there inside that hall with your family people? When some fight come out, anything come out, you want you know you could survive. Now so now the thing where it is. Many people not even compare with situation with Mandela. Mandela na man for South Africa where it be the fight for reforms inside South Africa. Like how we come to the fight inside La Republique. Like how we Frundi be the fight inside La Republique. Like how we Omniobe be the fight inside La Republique. Mandela be the fight for freedom. It be the fight for the right for people. They say, you know what? Say me black man, he dominate poor man, rich black white man. You know what? And say me white man too, he dominate black person. Now wait till Mandela be the fight for that. Mandela no be the fight now for get the independence. Me some people are not can talk now say Mandela be the fight for liberate the people. If you want to compare with case now say why it be say Charles de Gaulle it be run for Italy before he fight for liberate France from these people them. So me wanna forget that thing of way Mandela be the fight now for liberate now this thing. Okay, now me I tell you something. People when they want to talk. When I want to compare with Mandela, Mandela be the fight for freedom for you people for South Africa. Ask for me what I mean. I get proof. I say yes. I get the proof. The proof for sure say Mandela be the fight now for equality for freedom for South Africa. Now because it be they criticize how a white man they treat black people, and who be the promote how a black man they treat white people. I mean, a white man they treat black people. Now the president for South Africa, now he be the person and England. Wait till it happen. Mandela took on top the very chair. On top the very chair for South Africa. He be president for South Africa for 4 years. That is what is different. So if you cast in Anyangwe or Ayuk Tabi or you who, you take say this so you the fight for free Southern Cameroons and where your objective now say may you go shit for cheer for Pobia for A3. It means you are not fighting for us. You are all objecting. I say no, they don't correct, they don't break, and I don't come and they go for my papa house. You go enter now for Boya. How you go enter for Boya? You go for take all your things the way La Republique it be chakaram. You take your flag, you take your chair, you take your national anthem, your clothes, them everything. Mogu talk say some man they owe you 100,000. You don't fight, you don't give 50, 70, 80. Now, instead for you for grab the other 20,000 where remain, the man can talk say this so I beg first move down 10,000 for your pocket troyam. Move and troyam. You move and troyam, then you will remain waiting. So Mandela no be go create the own country different. Mandela no be go liberate na black people. Mandela be the fight for equality, for end apartheid. Because apartheid be still be like a form of modern slavery, modern slave trade, where white man is the shitty on top for black person. So Mandela can stabilize the situation. If you ask me, if Mandela will succeed, it not will succeed. Why? Because it will compromise for some extent. Because today, black people from South Africa, they still fight over land. They still fight over land. And that land, who they control, and now white people, they control them. Me, the professor, them, this doctor, them, me, they not begin to take case for Mandela, can they put up for case. By the way, even if Mandela be the fight for get an independent nation for black Africa people, for South Africa, that one, it will be a different case with our own case. Any situation, it be unique. Any situation, it be so. Saudi Arabia, they get money now for petrol. Japan, they get now for industrialization. Nigeria, they get for different things. So different countries, they get for agriculture. Different get for different things. Why when I want to say me when I compare, I say me will be on the same platform. That is exactly which way we want to say me with people, then they know. Brothers and sisters, oh man, where be the follow the people for Kondengi, Cabal group. I don't see how we Cousin Anyangwe they talk, they make reference to Mandela. And why that South Africa Cabal, it can't destroy with revolution. Well, Anyangwe Cousin for your information. Or you be Cousin Anyangwe or Cousin, or is it Cousin Anyangwe or Anyangwe Cousin, whatever. You and Ayuk, when I be go from when I group, when I be recall and say government. If you see and say this, so na be na bad thing when I get for dissolve. You not belong to the people's interim government, where we get county by counties. Our LG is them, and everything we would not take with power from Yaoundé. So you feel dissolve on our own side, you not get anything for can't talk for we. When I day on our side, you not get something for talk for we. Now you where they give you power, you not do anything with them. They send you for Independent Electoral Commission of 1992. You go take money for La Republic, you come on run you. They can't create a call committee by Dr. Sako talk say he put you say me you fight for reconciliation. Wait till you talk say people they clinch on top power. They tell you. Your cousin Anyangwe. So when you be form your own government, wait you don't change can reach today where you talk say government not be correct. Yes. It therefore if God may not be correct, it means say you talk say Southern Cameroon not be viable for independence. Now when I don't go bring Cohen the talk say will not be viable for independence. No, none of what I don't even come out for can debunk the fact. So Ambazonians, may wanna know say these people where they call themselves where they against the Swiss talks, where they be against the Swiss talk, they be not endorse La Republic National Dialogue. They don't already safeguard their places them. Are the pitching of fighters the way they did for Ground Zero? Are the pitching of people like Lex Bianda and this area from Iki the way they still work at the flip-flop, they go all over? Because at the end of the day, all of you people shall regret. Now the thing that I would already tell you that. Now the thing that I would not tell you. Yes. If you go, yeah, ask them for Ayuk Tabi. Say you talk, say this, so you be big person, you knock your chest. Say you want Tana for your food. You go make your ID card, bear your name, use all kinds of them. Then after you can't deny, say no, you know when you that ID card, you want to go you again now for your own papa, your own house, all that kind of them. They ask you the reason for another abduction. You talk say no, me will forget and forgive. Me would me that mommy not see kill a person. When once he kill a me will forget. We will go for one Cameroon. Ambazonian people, these people that be not thief money for La Republic, and now you where they want use the money where they thief and say me La Republic and move those charges against their head them. Now they want use them for sell mommy happy, sell baby matter, sell all people. They fight for bring down the IG and the Swiss talks. Now you they fight for kill fighters. So that when they come with that federation or special status as how we will be not here. A best young cannot talk, all people that don't talk will not go get means for resistance. That one I don't talk if people that want them. Even I like when I go they follow them begin to go. La Piro we don't talk say Mumu they laugh water they carry they go. Now me I don't talk that one. Today town na plenty na UN.